In this video tutorial, we're going to discuss one example of how to find the probability of a simple event. Let's read our question. A bag contains 7 pink, 2 white, and 6 blue marbles. One marble is selected without looking. Find the probability of white. Then describe the likelihood of the event. Write impossible, unlikely, equally likely, likely, or certain. So the notation for the probability of white looks like this. So think back to an earlier video tutorial that I discussed about how to find the probability. It's expressed as a ratio. So the numerator of our ratio must be the number of favorable outcomes. And in this event, it's white. So we have 2 white marbles as our numerator. And then you have to calculate how many total marbles we have. So numerically, this would look up as 2 divided by 15. You can write this ratio as a decimal, then multiply it by 100 to get the percentage of your probability. Now, we need to discuss the likelihood of this event occurring. So because the probability is less than 50%, the event of choosing a white marble is unlikely to occur. Hope that was helpful.